Hello everyone, it's Frank again with another budget mud truck video. Ever since I bought the budget mud truck, it's had a leaky transmission. You know what that means. Red puddles everywhere, smoke coming out every time it dripped onto the exhaust. Really annoying and a little scary because you don't want to run out of transmission fluid. That's why in today's video we will be changing the gasket on the transmission pan, which is where it was leaking from, I hope. This really isn't all that difficult to do. It's just 14 bolts that hold the pan in. There's 4 of them that are a little tight to get to because they have the exhaust running right by it. I don't know if that's because this truck has an aftermarket exhaust or if that's how they all are, but nothing a crowbar couldn't fix. So there won't be much talking here. I'll let you guys enjoy the video. After this, I just topped it off with some transmission fluid and it was good to go. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.